Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur objects in Inkscape using the built-in blur controls inside the fill and stroke panel. This is one of the easiest ways to create soft shadows, glow effects, or depth in your vector designs. And once you know where the setting is, you can apply it in seconds. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple design tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump straight into Inkscape and get started. First, open Inkscape and create a new document or open any project where you want to add a blur effect. Blur works on shapes, text, icons, and almost any object inside Inkscape, so the first thing we need to do is create a shape. Select the rectangle tool or the ellipse tool from the toolbar and simply click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. The exact shape does not matter because the blur setting works the same way for every object. Once your shape is created, make sure it is selected using the Select tool. Now we need to open the Fill and Stroke panel. This panel contains the appearance settings for your object, including color, stroke, transparency, and blur. To open it, go to the top menu, click Object, and then choose Fill and Stroke. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift, Control, and F, which instantly opens the panel on the side of the interface. With your shape still selected, look toward the bottom of the Fill and Stroke panel. You will see a slider labeled Blur. This slider controls how soft the edges of your object become. Click and drag the blur slider slowly to the right and you will immediately see the edges of the shape start to soften and spread outward. The higher the blur value, the softer and more diffuse the object will appear. This is perfect for creating glow effects, soft shadows, background highlights, or depth behind other elements. Another useful thing you will notice is that once blur is applied, Inkscape displays blur handles directly on the object. These handles let you interactively control the blur direction and spread. If you drag the horizontal handles, you can influence the horizontal blur, and if you drag the vertical handles, you can adjust the vertical blur. This gives you more visual control when shaping the effect, especially when creating soft lighting or motion style effects. Once you are happy with the blur strength, you can continue designing by combining blurred shapes with normal vector elements. Many designers use blurred circles or rectangles behind text to create glow effects or soft background lighting, so feel free to experiment with different blur levels, colors, and shapes until you get the exact look you want. And that is how to blur objects in Inkscape quickly using the Fill and Stroke panel. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tutorials and simple design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.